How to hack a vending machine. Hello, I'm James. Get two pences, if you can see. James, 2 pence. Then stick them together like that, so it's all in one. Then grab a little bit of tin foil, stick it in the center like that. Keep your thumb held onto it and bring all the sides in and wrap the wrapping paper into a circle round the coin. Probably 2 minutes, I'm just wrapping it myself. That's what I've got. Then make sure there is no lumpy bits, so it is very neat on the other side as well. Then slot it in the vending machine and pick what you want, and then it'll work and you've basically got a drink or food for 4 pence. Right, so bye. Goodbye. Bye.